what's up? Today we're going to be unboxing some timetables, so here we go. Throw that junk over there. Jesus Christ, let's get open. So here's the first one. It's a Hinkley bus timetable, and yeah, pretty cool. Here's the back. And yeah, that's pretty cool. So we'll pop that one over to the side. So what's in this little packet? Here we have an Arriva timetable. For some reason it's showing upside down and I'm not too sure why. So I'm just going to pause the video and see if I can fix it. Be back in a minute. Can't seem to fix that, guys. Oh well, so yeah. Here's the line 40 timetable. And yeah, here's front. Oh god. And here's the back. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Then we got this Headington Connect by Stagecoach. Pretty cool. Then I think we got this Arriva one, Route 280. Here's the back and here's the front. And here we got another Stagecoach timetable. And it's the 242 route, as you can see. So the other thing that's in this package is another Stagecoach timetable, and it's the Route 10. Here's the front, and here's the back. Oh, here we have a Farringdon timetable, whatever that is, I'm not too sure. Here's the back, and here's the front. And here's another Farringdon timetable. And here's the front and the back. These are some mini timetables, guys. So we have a Heartbeat, or Oxford Bus Company timetable. There we go. And yeah, here's the front, and it's a 13, X13 and X3 timetable. So here's the front, and here's the back. And then we got this Oxford Bus Company timetable again, and it's the City 4 route. Oh god. So here's the front, and here's the back. So I'll place that there. And yes, there is one more in this little packet. And here's another Arriva timetable. And that is 120, 121, 123 and 124 route timetable. So here's the front, and here's the back. So I'll just place that there. Left anything inside? No. Right then. Let's get these out of here. Here we go. Sorry about this, guys. Yep, that's all there. All that there, so just throw that over there. So, here we have an Uno timetable. And yeah, don't say what route it is, but oh well, who cares? And yeah, pretty cool. Just place that over to the side. So I've got to unbox this. Dump that over there. So here's Sanders Coaches timetable hashtag number 1, and it is the X11, the 32, the 34 and the 11 route. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back. Just place that one there. And here's another Sanders Coaches timetable. And that one is the 9 to 4 and the 9 to 44 route. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back. And here we have another Sanders Coaches timetable. So, and it is the 9 to 4 route and the 9 to 44 route. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back. And here's another Sanders Coaches timetable, guys. And it's the X44 route, the 44A route and the 43 route. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So here's the front and here's the back. So I'll just place that to one side. And here's another Sanders Coaches timetable. So here's the number 52525A route timetable. And here's the front. And here's the back, guys. And the last Sanders Coaches timetable, which is the Route 6. So here's the front. And here's the back, guys. So, moving on to a couple of NN Creswell timetables. So, this is one of the NN Creswell timetables. And, yeah, quite cool. And here's the front. And here's the back. It don't really say what route it is, but oh well, who cares? I'll just place that over to the side. And here we have another NN Creswell timetable thingy on a piece of paper. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back. Not that much on the back, but oh well. Place that to one side. And here's another NN Creswell timetable, and here's the front and here is the back. I'm just going to see if I can fix this problem. Nah, it's still like that, oh well. So here's the front, and here's the back. So yeah. This is the other one, if I didn't say that already. I'll just go over it again. So here's the front of the NN Creswell timetable, and here's the back. So yeah, pretty cool. Place that there. And here's another one that came with the NN Creswells, and it is the first 50S route, and the 5 to 52 route, and the 53 to 54 route, and it's first from Worcestershire. So here's the front, and here's the back. Pretty cool. Place that to one side. So there's only a couple more left to go, which is some sightseer timetables. So let's just unbox them. dump that over there. So here's a York timetable, city sightseeing. And yeah, pretty cool. So here's the front. And here's the back, guys. So I just place that over to one side. And here is the Newcastle city sightseeing. And here's the front. And here's the back, guys. Then we have a Norwich timetable, city sightseeing. And here's the front. And here's the back. Just place that there. And here is a Great Yarmouth city sightseeing. And here's the front. And here's the back, guys. Just place that there. And here is an Oxford city sightseeing timetable. And here's the front. And here's the back, guys. And also here is a Chester city sightseeing timetable. Here's the front. And here's the back. Moving on, we have a Cambridge city sightseeing timetable. Here's the front. And here's the back, guys. And now we have a Stratford-upon-Avon city sightseeing timetable. And if you're wondering, they don't use this bus anymore. They use a couple of ex-London ALX 400s, which I've been on 2 of them, and there's one more I still need to go on, which is LX51 FOK, which I'll probably do this year. I've been on LV52 HFH, that's it, and LX51 FJE. And this number plate is, if you're wondering, is P537EFL. I wonder where that one's gone to. Might have been scrapped, might be put in preservation. Hopefully it's the second option. So here's the front, and here's the back, guys. Moving on to the last one, which is a Cardiff city sightseeing timetable. So here's the front, and here's the back, guys. So yeah, guys, this is all the timetables all together. But yeah, there's quite a lot to say. There's quite a lot there, if I do say so myself. And yeah, they all come from one seller. On eBay, obviously. And yeah, the 6 sightseeing ones covers a job lot. And the Ellen Creswell ones did. And so did Sanders Coaches and some of the other ones. So yeah, got quite a variety here, guys. I will show off some more of my timetables, but yeah, they're already unboxed. And yes, I will do some more unboxing videos now that I've caught up on uploading. And yes, instead of hi, it's peace out, guys.